Today's video is a follow-up to the Rimetrix Orbital video I did a few weeks ago. First, I had some requests for the orbitals in motion, so here are some at different speeds. In the original video, I showed removing the center locking cap from the aero cover using a screwdriver. I have since found some alternatives, specifically a plastic pry bar and a 2-inch suction cup. The big problem with using a screwdriver is that it's easy to slip and scratch the center cap or aero cover. If you're interested, I'll have a link in the video description. Next, I'll show you how they work. First, I'll show the plastic pry bar. Since it is plastic like the cap and cover, it will not harm the surface. Carefully wedge the pry bar under the cap's edge, then press downward so the cap pops out. You may have to do this in 1 or 2 sections to get a good grip. And then you can pull it right out. Now I will snap it back in for the next method. Take the suction cup and place it over the center cap, then flip the plastic grip to meet the other handle. Pull on the handles and the center cap should come right out. If it's not centered, it may not get a good connection and will slip off. Then you'll have to try it again. We are currently in a very heavy pollen season, and what you see here is after a couple weeks with the covers on. I doubt you would see any buildup of dirt here, but I will keep an eye on it over the next few months. By the way, I installed and removed these covers quite a few times during my tests, and the locking cap seems to work fine every time. One of the main disappointing things about the Rimetrix Orbitals is that you cannot use the original Tesla center caps. This is due to the locking design of the new caps. However, I thought of a few ways to get the Tesla logo onto the Rimetrix center cap. First, clean off the cap with isopropyl alcohol, and then let it dry. This is best for applying stickers or vinyl. As a first test, I'm going to apply this silver Tesla logo to the bare center cap. I need to cut a piece of the transfer plastic to about the size of the logo. Now take the vinyl logo and place the transfer piece on top. It is a bit adhesive. Press down on the logo and it will help it adhere to the transfer. You may need to bend the backing paper so that it sticks well to the transfer sheet. Now keep bending the backing paper until the logo is entirely on the transfer plastic. Place the logo over the Rimetrix center cap. Of course, try to center it best you can, and then press down. Now bend the transfer plastic off and the logo is now on the center cap. You may need to press down some more since the cap has an embossed surface with the Rimetrix logo. I used my microfiber cloth and went along all the edges. close, it's not that great, with the logo bending around the embossed surface. But from a distance of a few feet, it doesn't look too bad. Let's put it on the cover and see how it looks. And as before, it's best to clean the surface off with isopropyl alcohol. For the next step, I measured the cap's diameter, and it's around 56 millimeters across. I used this measurement to order some black vinyl stickers. Unfortunately, I mistakenly ordered soft vinyl stickers instead of solid vinyl versions. Now I'm going to do a slight change on the next cap. I'm going to apply the silver Tesla logo, as I did before, to the transfer tape. Then, I apply it to the round black sticker. Press down firmly with the microfiber cloth so that it adheres well. Now, remove the transfer tape. Peel the round black vinyl sticker off of the backing paper, and then apply it to the center of the cap. If you do it more carefully than I did, you'll get it without any wrinkles or bubbles in it. Let's place it on the car and see how it looks. I see a little bit of an improvement over the first version, which was the bare sticker on the Rimetrix cover. For a slight variation of the previous cap, I put a layer of the round black vinyl on already, and I'm going to apply a second layer to see if that helps. And like the previous two times, I will add the silver Tesla logo on top of the black round vinyl. And here's a view of me putting the third version onto the center cap area. I think it looks a little bit better than the previous version. Still not perfect though. Now for the next type of Tesla logo. This envelope contains 4 round aluminum caps with a sticker underneath. This one measures 56 millimeters, which just about perfectly fits into the Rimetrix cap. This solution gives the most polished look to the center cap. The silver Tesla logo has a nice 3D depth to it. One thing I have to do before mounting is that the circumference of this cap shows the aluminum silver color. I will take a permanent black marker and fill in the entire outer area. After that, the cap is black on the top and along the outer rim. Take off the backing paper, and now you can align the sticker to the center of the Rimetrix cap. Don't worry if you're a little off, just pull it up and start again. When it looks good, press down firmly. I took a microfiber cloth and pressed down on the top to make sure it adheres well. Then you can remove the protective plastic on the outside. Now let's see what it looks like on the wheel. After doing these experiments with the logos on the center cap, you can see them in order. First is the silver vinyl logo only, then the round black vinyl with the silver logo, then the 2 layers of round black vinyl with the logo. You can see it definitely takes some of the embossing of the Rimetrix logo away from the original. One benefit of using the vinyl Tesla logo is that they are available in many colors. For example, if you have a red accent on your car, applying the red logo would only work with the vinyl option. And now we have the 4th, which is the aluminum sticker with the 3D logo. One last thing to note, if you end up using the aluminum Tesla sticker like this, the suction cup doesn't work on removing the cover. Since the stick-on has a domed top, the suction cup doesn't get a good hold on it. So if you do this modification, use the plastic pry bar instead. I will now drive my car out of the garage so you can see the 4 different wheel caps in daylight. First is the silver vinyl logo only. Second is the round black vinyl with the silver logo. Third is the 2 layers of round black vinyl with the logo. And finally, the fourth is the aluminum sticker with the 3D logo. As you can guess, I went with all 4 wheels with the aluminum sticker with the 3D logo. Here is a final video around the car showing all 4 wheel caps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Links for all the items seen today are in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.